Okay, hello, hope you are well. So far, this is Martin. I'm going to do gold focus for the starting week. And so far, for us to be able to focus for the next week, we will use the history. And the history that we are using is the performance of gold for the past weeks. So for this case, as you can see, my chart is already on weekly chart. That means that one candlestick here represents 1 week, that is 5 days, since gold trades only from Monday to Friday. So this one candlestick represents 5 days. That's when we call it weekly. So for this case, every candlestick here represents 1 week. And for the past week, we can see the candlestick is great. It has a long upper wick and a short lower wick and a small body. The last week but one, we had a red candlestick. That is a bearish one, a bearish candlestick so far. Then the week then before that one, we had a doji candlestick, which has a small body and a long upper wick and a shorter lower wick. So using this price, we will be able to focus for the performance of gold for the starting week. So as you can see, gold has been confined in a channel, and this channel is bounded with these two trend lines. We have this one and we have this one. So recently, price has just come to this level here, almost attacking this trend line here. But when you look it clearly, you can see that price didn't hit it like fully, but still can consider it as a rejection because it's near that trend line so far. So again, another thing that it's clear here is that we have a chart pattern here, and this chart pattern here, I don't know if I can draw it. We try this chart pattern here, around here, this one. Yes, that chart pattern here. So I just want to remove this one. So as you can look from these three candlesticks here, there is a chart pattern that is revealed here. This green candlestick, the red one, that is the doji candlestick, and this the other red candlestick here, the bearish one. So this pattern of these three candlestick is called an evening star chart pattern. So this chart pattern is actually used to show price reversal. So before price was moving upward, so when we see this, it indicates that price will go down. So we have been bearish so far from the time we saw this until now. For the next week or the starting week, I'm bearish on my side in case of anything else, but I'm bearish. That is considering higher chart time frames, we should be bearish. That is, you try to avoid being bullish. Make sure that many of your trades are bearish. So focusing on gold performance for next week is that we still retain our focus or our bearishness until maybe price may decide to show another direction. That is, it may decide to go upwards. But when we will see that, we'll actually communicate. Personally, I will communicate. I record a video and then post. So for this case, I've already come into a conclusion that we should make sure that our trades for this week, for the starting week, are bearish, most of them. We expect this price to come up to this level here and touch this trend line. In case it breaks this trend line here, then we can now start also, we can continue being bearish, waiting for the price to go further downwards. But if the price will hit this trend line and then be rejected, again now we will change our direction and start being bullish. That is, we will start buying gold at this level. Hope this is clear and you can also see. Let me try use a path. Right now gold is at this point, so if gold comes and test this level and be rejected, then we expect price to shoot upward like that. But if it will break this trend line, then we will expect much sell for this commodity or for gold. So actually this is our analysis for this week. So you can consider this as you trade, just to make sure that your trades are more so bearish in case things change, or in case the market changes direction. I just want to show you how the pattern has been formed on a daily chart. The pattern shows that for the past week, price has been confined in a certain level. This level here. The level starts from around 1970, and the maximum value attained that week was around 2010. That is 2010. So price has been in that level for that week. We expect price now either to go down or to shoot upwards, depending on which side the price will break. Let me try to zoom in. So that is the clear picture of how gold daily chart looks like. When I try now to move to the lower chart time frame, that is 4-hour chart, for our chart, gold price, gold chart looks like this. So we expect if gold will come and touch this level and then go down, is okay, just wait. But you can see that recently price broke this level, came and tried to retest. It went again downwards, then it went back to retest, and it moved downward. It is like price is in a consolidation state. So far we have been trading it, but not making that much money, but at least we made something, benefiting from both sides. But as you place trade, don't place trade that you are leaving them to stay for one day and you are placing them to be bullish, yet you don't have the evidence that the price is bullish. I've already shown you on a higher chart time frames that the price of gold is bearish. But when you look on a lower chart time frames, you might see that the price is on a bullish trend, and then you decide that I will take a buy trade. But remember what the price is on a higher chart time frame. So maybe when you take trades of that sort, you should consider them as shorter trades, which you are just targeting a small amount of profit. But for high chart, you target a greater amount of profit. So actually, this is the gold focus for this week, that we are bearish on gold, expecting it to come and to go down so far to the level that we have already indicated here. This level is 1933. Not so it might come to this level 1950s. So we expect the price to continue moving downwards up to that level. Then when it will be rejected, then we will focus on other things. I hope you have enjoyed this session. What I urge you is that you may subscribe to this channel so far, so that every content that I'll be sharing and the signals that I share when streaming may not pass you. So far, last week was a great week. Most people made money who followed the signals that I sent and the focus that I made a day before another day. That is, if we are on Monday evening, I just made a video to try and focus what will happen on Tuesday. So kindly remember to subscribe to my channel. Also comment on things that you want to learn. So far, very soon we'll be starting lesson classes, and I'll be posting videos there. So you will consider subscribing early enough so that you may not miss all those things. Thank you and have a nice day.